We've all been there before, enjoying a delicious chocolate treat, only to have a little bit of it end up on our clothes. Chocolate can be a tricky stain to remove, especially if it's allowed to dry and set into the fabric. But don't despair! With the right approach, you can get chocolate out of your clothes and have them looking good as new. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how to remove chocolate stains from different types of fabrics, and offer tips and tricks for treating particularly stubborn stains. Understanding the type of chocolate stain. Before you can effectively remove a chocolate stain, it's important to understand the type of chocolate that caused it. Different types of chocolate can have different effects on fabric, and the type of fabric also plays a role in the removal process. Milk chocolate is the most common type of chocolate stain and is typically the easiest to remove. The milk solids in the chocolate can cause discoloration on light-colored fabrics, but the stain should come out with regular laundry detergent. Dark chocolate is a bit more difficult to remove, as it contains more cocoa solids than milk chocolate. The cocoa solids can cause discoloration on both light and dark fabrics, and the stain may require more aggressive treatment. White chocolate is the least likely to cause a stain, but if it does, it can be difficult to remove. The high sugar content in white chocolate can cause discoloration on light-colored fabrics, and the stain may require more aggressive treatment. When it comes to fabric types, natural fibers like cotton and linen are generally easier to clean than synthetic fibers like polyester and nylon. However, some synthetic fabrics like polyester and nylon are more resistant to staining and easier to clean than others. Quick action steps to remove chocolate stains from cloth. If you get chocolate on your clothes, it's important to act quickly to prevent the chocolate from setting into the fabric. The longer the chocolate is allowed to sit on the fabric, the more difficult it will be to remove. Here are some quick action steps to take if you get chocolate on your clothes. Blot the stain with a clean, white cloth to remove as much of the chocolate as possible. Flush the area with cold water to remove any remaining chocolate. Apply a pre-treatment stain remover, such as a laundry detergent or a stain stick, to the affected area. Allow the pre-treatment to sit on the stain for at least 5 minutes before washing. Removing the stain. Once you've taken the quick action steps, it's time to remove the stain. The process will vary depending on the type of chocolate and the type of fabric. Here are some general guidelines for removing chocolate stains from different types of fabrics. How to remove chocolate stains from cotton cloth. Apply a small amount of liquid laundry detergent to the stain and work it in with a clean white cloth. Place the garment in the washing machine and wash it in the hottest water safe for the fabric, using the regular amount of detergent. Check the stain before drying. If it remains, repeat the process. How to remove chocolate stains from polyester cloth. Apply a small amount of liquid laundry detergent to the stain and work it in with a clean white cloth. Place the garment in the washing machine and wash it in the hottest water safe for the fabric, using the regular amount of detergent. Check the stain before drying. If it remains, repeat the process. How to remove chocolate stains from silk. Mix a solution of 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid in a cup of warm water. Dab the solution onto the stain with a clean white cloth. Gently rub the stain, being careful not to rub too hard or use too much water as it can damage the silk fabric. Rinse the area with cold water and press out as much water as possible. Hang the garment to dry, avoiding direct sunlight. Tips and tricks for treating stubborn stains. Even with the above guidelines, some chocolate stains can be particularly stubborn. Here are some tips and tricks for treating those tough stains. Use a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and baking soda to create a paste. Apply the paste to the stain, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then wash as usual. Use a mixture of equal parts hydrogen peroxide and dishwashing liquid. Apply the mixture to the stain, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then wash as usual. Use a stain remover specifically designed for chocolate stains. These can be found at most grocery or department stores. Prevention. The best way to deal with chocolate stains is to prevent them from happening in the first place. Here are a few tips to help you avoid chocolate stains. Be extra careful when eating chocolate near your clothes. Carry a stain remover pen or laundry detergent with you, in case of an emergency. Wear dark-colored clothing when eating chocolate. Be mindful of where you place your chocolate treat. Avoid placing it on light-colored surfaces or fabrics. Chocolate stains can be a nuisance, but with the right approach, they can be removed from your clothes. Understanding the type of chocolate and fabric is crucial to effectively removing the stain. Remember to act quickly. Use the appropriate cleaning solution, and be patient if the stain is particularly stubborn. And if all else fails, try to prevent the stain in the first place. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to enjoy your chocolate treat without worrying about ruining your clothes.